In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So in order to speed up your downloads, what you first need to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Settings and click on the Settings window. Now from the left hand side, select Network and Internet, click on Wi-Fi. Select your internet connection from this list, and then if you scroll down, you'll see this option here called metered connection. Now, in order to get the fastest download speed possible, you want to make sure this feature is turned off and disabled. Now, once you've done that, we're then going to close out of this window, head over to your Start menu and search for Data Usage, and then select Dated Usage Overview. Now, from here, scroll down and click on Data Usage, and then from this window, you're going to see a list of all of your applications that consume your network resources. So what you want to do here is just go through this list carefully and uninstall any applications that you may not need on your computer, as what you might find is that some of these applications may be running in the background and actually consuming our network resources. So once you've gone through this list and uninstalled any potential applications that are consuming our network resources, we can then close out of this window and you can check to see if your download speed's improved. Now, if it's still not working, the next solution is to head over to your Start menu, search for Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, set View By to Large Icons and then click on Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings in the left hand panel, and then what you need to do is right click on your Wi-Fi or network connection, click on Properties, and then we're going to scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties, and where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically, you need to check this box next to Use the following DNS server addresses. Then we're just going to type in 8888 and 8844 and press OK, and then you can close out of this window. Click back on your Start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Then all you need to do is type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Now once you've done that, you can then once again check to see if that's improved your download speeds. If it's still not working, another thing you can try doing is disconnecting from any VPNs. This is another reason why you may get slow download speeds. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.